we start the unit 2 of the class 12 zoology section. So the first part of this unit 2, we start as ABO, blood group inheritance. Inheritance I am writing, or multiple allele inheritance. Inheritance, and this depend or this operate on the genetic phenomenon of codominance, writing codominance, dominance, recessive manner, RECESSIVE, manner. Now, in case of human, the blood group is controlled by the gene, and gene is gene I, which controls the blood group. And this gene I is located or present on the chromosomal number 9. I am writing located chromosomal number 9. And this gene I, which is located on the chromosomal number I, has 3 versions or 3 forms called as alleles. We know that the alleles is the form of a single gene, right? Located on the same gene loci, located at the same position of the chromosome. It is a form of same gene. So this same gene I has 3 versions or 3 allelic forms: IA, IB and II. These are the 3 versions of the gene I, which shows the blood group. And the human blood group is discovered by the scientist Landsteiner, and the scientist got the Nobel Prize by the discovery of the human blood group OABO type. And when you consider the human blood group, in a population, the individual, for example I, has 2 alleles, one from my mother side, one from father side, right? But when we consider the population is formed by the individual. So one individual has 2 categories, one has 2, so it makes the multiple gene allelic inheritance of blood group. And this multiple allelic gene inheritance regarding the blood group is due to the repeated mutation of the gene, so that it shows the allelic form, and it has the biological importance because it shows the variation. And this as considered as antigen A, antigen B, and present on, for example, this is RBC, erythrocyte, blood cell, and antigen present on the surface of the RBC. For example, A is present on the surface of the RBC, and these antigens are made up of oligosaccharide, that is sugar unit. And on the surface of the RBC, beside this main antigen, this antigen H is present, H, which is called as precursor of antigen A and B. Now I am giving the chemical background of the formation of antigen A and antigen B. Now I am rubbing the blackboard to give the discussion on the formation of A and B. Now this antigen A and B has enzymatic reaction, and this recessive I, it doesn't have any enzymatic reaction. So the A coded for the enzyme, writing the name of the enzyme, alpha N acetyl galactosamine, SMYL transferase. And this enzyme transfer the sugar unit to the H so that it becomes this IB, which is again coded for the enzyme alpha D acetyl galactosamine SMINE transferase. And this enzyme coded again glucose unit 2H and become IB. And this I, it doesn't have any enzymatic reaction, so it doesn't change the H. So in this, no effect of the H, so this is without any antigen. So A, blood group A has antigen A on the surface, blood group B has antigen B on the surface, and blood group I, because no enzymatic reaction, so no antigens are present on the surface of the RBC. Now today we study this, then next we further proceed the genotypic concept, genotypic type of human blood group inheritance. If you have any question, ask me. I am here to show the human blood group, ABO blood group, discovered by the scientist Dennis Steiner. It's also called multiple genome inheritance, act on the phenomena of codominance, dominance, and recessive manner, which we explain on the next part.
Okay, ma'am.
Any query?
No, ma'am.
Any question? No. Thank you. On the next one.